and today we will learn about cone pulley drive mechanism. Okay, this is the freehand drawing of a cone pulley. This cone pulley is directly connected with motor, and when motor starts to rotate, then this cone pulley also starts to rotate. As it is driven by motor, that's why I can say this is driving cone pulley. Okay, it is connected with motor. Sorry, and this is driving cone pulley. These are called driving cone pulley. Okay, these cone pulley are driven by driving cone pulley. That's why I can say these are driven cone pulley. Okay, the driven cone pulley. This is also called step cone pulley. Okay, step cone pulley. Driven cone pulleys are driven by belt. This is belt connected with driving cone pulley. Okay, these cone pulleys have four step, and by the help of four step we can get four different speed. Okay, by the help of cone pulley we can get speed variation, and as the cone pulleys are stepped by four step, that's why we can get four different speed. The most important thing, how do we get different speed? Okay, first of all, we all know the surface speed of any rotating element. The surface speed of any rotating element is pi dn. The surface speed of any rotating element is equals to pi dn. Here d is equals to diameter of a rotating element and n is speed, rotating speed, or you can say rpm, revolution per minute. Okay, so it is very clear that the speed is depends upon diameter of rotating element and speed of rotating element. Okay, I can say this is number one cone pulley, and if I say this is number two cone pulley, then I can say here the speed is produced, that is pi d1 n1, and here pi d2 n2. Okay, pi d1 n1 and pi d2 n2. So we can get, equating this equation is pi d1 n1 is equals to pi d2 n2. Okay, or I can say d1 by d2 is equals to n2 by n1. By the help of this formula we can get the speed and diameter variation. In a different diameter we can get different speed. Assume the diameter of that cone pulley is 100 mm, sorry, it is 100 mm, 200 mm, 300 mm, and 400 mm. Okay, suppose assume the diameter of that cone pulley. Okay, and also assume it is 100 mm, 200 mm, 300 mm, and 400 mm. Okay, so very clearly notice that it is 100 mm. This the diameter of that pulley is 100 mm, and the diameter of that 100 of that pulley is 400 mm. Okay, that means the that pulley is 4 times greater than that cone pulley. That means this is 4 times greater, 4 times greater than that cone pulley. It is 100 mm and it is 400 mm. That means if the motor produce 1000 rpm, it is if the motor produce 1000 rpm, that means this cone pulley getting uh, 4000 rpm. Okay, it is getting 4000 rpm, and when the belt is shifted in that step, that means here if I uh, apply that same law, that means 300 by 200, that means I can get 300 by 200 into 1000 rpm. That means I can get 3000 by 2 means 1500, that means 1500 rpm we can get here, okay. In this way we can get 4 different speed in 4 different position of belt. Okay, so this is the main mechanism and driving process of cone pulley. You understand in this video this topic, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, you can like or share this video, and also you can subscribe this channel to get more mechanical videos like it. Okay, thank you.